Extreme hardship, I-601A visa. If you are attempting to obtain a visa or a green card in the United States, but are being denied due to inadmissibility, you may be entitled to request a waiver on certain grounds. Specifically, you could prove you need a waiver based on the extraordinary hardship that your qualified family will face if they are denied admission. According to a policy adopted by the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, your waiver will be approved if you can provide strong evidence your relatives will experience 1. Extreme hardship if you are not allowed to come into the U.S., or 2. Extreme hardship in your home country because your relative will have to follow you there. The official name for the extreme hardship visa is I-601A, Provisional Waiver of Inadmissibility. This waiver is for certain immediate relatives of U.S. citizens who are living in the U.S. and wish to remain here but cannot because they are considered inadmissible. The term extreme hardship is not defined by law, but the USCIS, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, has interpreted it to mean significant difficulties that are more than a person would typically experience when leaving their home nation. These difficulties include, but are not limited to, health problems, financial challenges, family ties to the United States, and fear of persecution or torture. To be eligible for an extreme hardship waiver, you must prove that your spouse or parent would experience extreme difficulties if you were not allowed to remain in the United States. It is important to note that USCIS will only consider your spouse's or parent's hardships. They will not take into account yours. You are eligible for an extreme hardship waiver if you meet the following criteria. You must be a spouse or child of a U.S. citizen. You must be inadmissible to the United States. You must have an immigrant visa interview scheduled. And you must prove that your spouse or parents would experience extreme hardship if you were not allowed to remain in the United States.